This is my new Flexfit hat. We used to call all of them baseball caps back then, but now they got all kinds of caps. But I can tell you that it's very comfortable. It's made of good material, it's good quality, 63% polyester, 34% cotton, and 3% spandex. This is the size large, extra large, which fits my personal head. I see that all the young people leave the labels on them, but I'm going to take the label off of mine. Yeah, I think that looks better, but you know what we need now? We need to do what I like to call the Coolness Test, and for that, I'm going to need to change my glasses. Okay, is that coolness? Is it? Is that coolness or what? I think some people in Hollywood wear it like this. I think it's silly, but to each their own, right? So yeah, I think it's a very cool hat. I think it goes with just about everything that I own. I think it's a great value. It didn't set me back much. And I was pretty happy that I got it. And I am happy to show it to you in this video today.